So this is an update. It's been a while. The bed slide's still in there. And then I built this wooden contraption out of 1 1/8" plywood. So we have that up here, and some places use it just because it's stiffer for tile floors and stuff. But I put the Milwaukee Packout bases down, and as you can see, everything snaps in. I got a compressor back there. I bought some fake Packout feet, and they're not fake, but I screwed them to a piece of wood, and then I mounted that compressor to the wood and slid it into the Packout base. So now I have air in my truck that I can plug in here, and you can see it's a two-headed beast. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Come on, baby. There it is. So that can run the radio, because in my business I have to have music. It's just something that I have to have. But anyways, I just wanted to do an update. As you can see, I had it down here. I think I was using standard 2x8s, and then nothing would fit. I don't know why I didn't check. Actually, all this stuff fits at a 2x8 height, but I have one of those little giant folding extension ladders, you know, the kind that go A-frame or full extension, and I wanted to bring it, and I hated throwing it up here because then it's loose and it's chaos. So I made it to where it will fit down here, but I don't take it all the time. So now I've got horses and my chop saw stand, and then over here I haven't really figured out what to do here. That's my son's, let's see here. This is a Diamondback vest, his 701, and some holstery stuff. So we like to experiment. Everything I have, I buy. I would accept sponsors, but I'm not looking for them. So that way I can be bluntly honest and not have to tone it down. Man, I bought this DeWalt table before the tariffs. $79.99. Now I was just at Home Depot the other day, and it's $129. So weird, but yep. So yeah, let me get this out of here. Oh, that's never good with one hand. But you know what? It's entertaining for y'all. If I drop it, oh wow. If I drop this and it somehow causes grief, oh wow. What's going on there? It's cracked, huh? Yeah. Wonder why that's cracked like that. That sucks. All right, well, tells me I need to inventory my tools more. But anyway, so I was on the Deck site. They sent one of those spam emails, but I like emails from people like that because it's got new stuff. And they're the drawer guys. You know, they pull out. And I just asked them, I talked to Eric, their AI, and said, hey, you need to have a Deckslide. Instead of a bed slide, you have a Deckslide. And you have your deck system. And then on the top of your deck system, like imagine this being the decked, whatever. And then on top, they integrate a pull-out, grab and pull. So not only do you have drawers that you could pull out, but things that don't fit in drawers. Like maybe you're not even in Packout. Maybe you're in, Tough System or whatever, whoever. You come up with a method to put your tools where they stay secured. They're not flying all over. But anyways, I think that would be good. I would actually look into that if I had to do this all over again, is to put the decked system in first and then have it have a sliding top. It would have to hold at a minimum 500 pounds, probably more like 1,000. So anyways, there's some considerations, but I think that's about it. Oh, I live where it's wet. That's pretty creepy. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope this spurs some good ideas with everybody, and that it's a better day tomorrow.